Alright, you're back with Modmaster J, and we're doing a really cool new tweak from Cydia called Screenswipe Sounds. And what it does is every time you're switching pages on your springboard, it makes a sound. You're going to want to get that from this repo here, the bors/repo.net. That's where you can get it, and this is what it does. So every time you're switching pages, makes a noise. And you can go into your settings. Oops. Go into the settings. And there it is there. In settings. Screenswipe sounds. So when you first install it, it is not enabled. So you're going to want to toggle it to on. There's the volume of it. You can have it vibrate as well as you swipe. And then you pick the sound you want. Out of all the sounds they have here, let's do shift. Snap. Spring. Sprinkle. SS. Oops. I think I'll leave that one. So that's it. That's Screenswipe Sounds, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. This is Modmaster J, out.